This 2020 Chevrolet Equinox is brought to you by Twins Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Chevrolet is powered by D, front-wheel drive, automatic transmission, turbocharged gas i4 1.5L 92 engine, and has 82,768 miles. Discover your perfect ride. 2020 Chevrolet Equinox, reliable, stylish, and budget-friendly. Drive today. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car in similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.